Hi everybody. Welcome my channel. Are you looking for the best cheap welding helmets? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best cheap welding helmets for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check the user to see which one is in your budget range.
Our top 1.
Auto Darkening Welding Helmet with Light, KTSKP01. Looking for a welding helmet that makes you feel like a superhero while keeping your eyes safe from bright flashes? The Auto Darkening Welding Helmet with Light, KTSKP01, is here to save the day. Not only does it look cool, but it's also packed with features that'll make welding feel like a breeze. This helmet offers a true color view, which means you get a clear, crisp look at your work without that annoying green tint that makes everything feel like you're stuck in a sci-fi flick. Plus, it's solar-powered, so no more worrying about dead batteries in the middle of a job. With 2 arc sensors and a wide shade range of 9 to 13, this helmet knows when to darken to keep your eyes protected. And when you're switching from welding to grinding? No problem. The grinding mode makes it super easy to go back and forth without swapping helmets.
Our top 2.
Yes Welder Large Viewing True Color Solar Powered Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Tired of guessing where you're welding? With the Yes Welder Large Viewing Helmet, you won't have to anymore. This helmet gives you a massive panoramic view of your work area, so it feels like you're welding in HD. It's like having a movie theater screen strapped to your face, seriously. Say goodbye to that dull green tint and hello to true color technology. This feature lets you see everything with perfect clarity. It also has side view windows, so you can see what's going on around you without constantly lifting your helmet like a confused meerkat. It's equipped with 4 arc sensors, automatically adjusting the shade from 4/5-9/9-13, meaning no more squinting or worrying about your eyes. Whether you're doing TIG, MIG, or arc welding, this helmet will keep you safe. Oh, and did I mention it's solar-powered? Eco-friendly welding, here we come.
Our top 3.
Flip-up Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Ever feel like you're welding through a keyhole? Well, those days are over. The Flip-up Auto Darkening Welding Helmet offers a 180 degrees panoramic viewing screen. Welding has never felt so immersive, it's like welding in IMAX. What's more, you get side view windows so you can keep an eye on everything happening around you without having to constantly flip the helmet up. Speaking of flipping, this helmet has a flip-up feature that makes you feel like a welding ninja, quick, easy, and efficient. Equipped with true color technology, you can say goodbye to that frustrating green tint. With variable shades of 9/12/13-15 and 4 sensors, this helmet is ready for whatever task you throw at it, TIG, MIG, arc, or grinding.
Our top 4.
TOLIOM Large Viewing Welding Helmet. Want a helmet that feels like you're welding on a movie screen? The TOLIOM Large Viewing Welding Helmet offers a huge 3.94 inches by 3.66 inches viewing area so you can work with precision. No more feeling like you're staring through a pinhole. Thanks to true color technology, you'll see everything crystal clear, without that weird green filter. This helmet automatically adjusts between shades 4/5-9/9-13, keeping your eyes safe no matter if you're working on TIG, MIG, arc welding, or even plasma cutting. Best of all? It's solar-powered, so you won't have to worry about running out of juice mid-weld. Stylish, smart, and functional, this helmet checks all the boxes.
Our top 5.
Hobart 770890 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Finally, we have the Hobart 770890 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet, a sleek, no-nonsense helmet that's all about performance. With a large viewing area, you won't have to guess what you're doing, and its auto darkening feature kicks in the second sparks fly. Whether you're working on TIG, MIG, or stick welding, this helmet's got your back. It's also solar-powered, so you never have to stress about batteries running low. Plus, let's be real, black goes with everything, even molten metal.